Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase Realtime Database, manage app data step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Firebase website. In the top right corner, click on the Get Started button. If you already have a Google account, click on Sign In. Enter your Google account email and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Firebase console. If you don't have a project yet, click on Add Project. Follow the prompts to create a new Firebase project. If you already have a project, select it from the list. In the left sidebar, click on Realtime Database. You may be asked to select a location for your database. Choose the desired location and click Done. Click on the Create Database button. Select Start in Test Mode or Start in Locked Mode, depending on your needs. Click Next to confirm your database setup. You will see your database dashboard where you can manage data. To add data, click on the Data tab on the left panel. Here you can manually add data by clicking the plus icon. Input your data in JSON format and click Publish. To view your data structure, click on the Data section again. Use the Rules tab to set up data access permissions. Adjust your permission rules as needed for your application. To integrate into your app, click on the Settings gear icon in the Project Overview. Select Project Settings and navigate to the Service Accounts tab. Click on Generate New Private Key to download your service account key. This key will allow your app to authenticate with Firebase. Copy your database URL for use in your app. Now you're ready to manage app data using Firebase Realtime Database. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.